In Excel, you can view your formulas by clicking in the cells and looking at the formula that's in the formula bar. If you want to see all of your formulas for the entire sheet, there are a couple of ways you can do that. Go to Formulas, Show Formulas, and it will toggle to show the formulas for the entire sheet. If you click back on Show Formulas, it will toggle back to the data. So it will toggle back and forth there. The other way that you can view the formulas for the entire sheet is to press Control-tilde. Press Control on the keyboard, hold that down, and then press the tilde key at the top of the keyboard. The tilde is the little wavy line that's to the left of the 1. So Control, hold that down, and then press tilde, and that will show the formulas as well. So you can toggle back and forth with Control-tilde. The one thing I'll point out is when you have the data in Formulas view, it spreads the data out, and for certain items like dates, it might not show them in the same format. If you want to format your formulas in this view, remember that when you go back to the data view, it might wreak havoc with some of your formatting in your data view. If you want to format your formula view for some reason, go to the data view and copy this sheet and show the formulas on the second sheet and then format those so that you preserve the formatting of the original data.